How to turn on voice chat in Marvel Rivals. So first, just simply click on your settings here at the top right and click on settings. Once you're there, you simply need to go to the audio section here at the top. Then just scroll down till you see the voice chat option. So here on the voice chat section, make sure that it's turned on and make sure that your input device is set to the microphone that you're using and your voice chat mode to whatever you want. You could set it to push to talk and you could also set it to open mic. So if you're using push to talk, make sure that you know the keybind for it. So you could find a keybind here on keyboard, then communication, then just simply find the push to talk option right here. So when push to talk keybind is this one. So you could also change it if you want. So let's say you want to set it to V, and it will say that it has a binding conflict, which is the melee attack. So you could undo that. And let's say I want to set it to N since there's no keybind set to N. So that's good. Now you could just go back to the audio voice chat. You could use push to talk, but you could also set it to open mic if you want so that you won't need to click anything to talk through your mic. And that's basically it.